In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your OneDrive storage usage. Keeping track of your storage is essential to make sure you don't run out of space at a crucial moment. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how much space you have available. First things first, you'll want to log into your Microsoft account. This is your entryway to accessing OneDrive and all its features. Just head over to the Microsoft account login page and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by providing some basic details. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the familiar layout of the Microsoft account home. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the app launcher, identified by a grid-style icon. Go ahead and click on it. The app launcher is the hub that houses all your Microsoft applications, making it easier for you to navigate. Once the app launcher opens, you will see a range of apps. What you're looking for is OneDrive. Click on the OneDrive icon to head to your OneDrive dashboard. This is where all your files in the cloud are organized and stored. When you're on your OneDrive homepage, you need to scroll down to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, this is where you will spot the storage option. This is your go-to section for all things related to your OneDrive storage usage. Once you click on it, OneDrive will give you a detailed summary of your storage usage, showing you how much space you're using and how much you have remaining. If for some reason you don't see the storage indicator right away, there's an alternative approach you can take. Instead of scrolling, you can click on the settings icon, usually found in the top area of the dashboard. From there, you will want to click on options, which will also take you to the storage summary section. It's another pathway, but it gets you to the same place. For users who prefer using the Windows taskbar, you can also access OneDrive storage details right from there. Simply click on the OneDrive icon you find on your taskbar, usually on the lower right side of your screen next to your clock. Once the OneDrive menu pops up, click on the settings icon, then select settings from the options list, taking you directly to where your storage details are displayed on the bottom left.